KWIKOT ATW heat pump LinkWarm series, multiple anti-freezing protection. Large screen display, one system for all comfort needs. Heating, cooling, domestic hot water, high efficiency heat absorption, 30% increase in heat exchange area. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. Auto heat to raise temp and kill harmful bacteria. High efficiency DC electric motor. Full inverter technology ensure reliable performance and energy savings. There are more options to choose from.